Hey guys, this is AK and we'll be learning how to do pattern programming. So we'll go directly at it. Open BlueJ. So this is my project RMN 1929. These are all my classes. So let's open loop. Now, so we'll be learning the basics. So simple program basics. Minimum 2 loops are required. Inner loop has only print and not println, so that can print only in one line. You will notice this during the program. Outer loop last statement is a blank println for jumping to the next line. Always start with a small number of iterations of passes or loops. This is for those who have just started learning loops. It's also recommended to use only the numbers 1, 2 and 3 for any loop if you've just started learning loops. As always said, start small for something big, and please write the programs by hand and do a test run or dry run, which will make it more easier for you to learn. So here we are using variables I, j and ctr, which are all of data type integer. I is the outer loop variable, j is the inner loop variable, and ctr is the counter which will be used if required. So here today we're going to learn only the basics, that is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is a program for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, sorry, for that. For j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus, system out print 1 plus space, system out print ln, which is not present here. So here this is the inner loop and this is the outer loop. So let's run this program. So as you can see, we have got a desired output. So I told I'll show you what is a dry run. So sorry. Yeah, so this is a dry run. So it works like when this is the outer loop, this is the inner loop, and this is the output which you will see on the terminal window. So outer loop, when it is 1, j is 1, so the output will be 1. But when j plus plus takes place, it becomes 2, but it fails because 2 is not less than equal to 1. So it fails and the loop jumps to the I loop. Then when I plus plus takes place, I becomes 2, so j will become 1 again, so I'll print 1 as 1 is less than 2. Then j becomes 2, 2 less than 2, so I'll print 1. Then it becomes 3, 3 less than 2, no, so it fails and the loop jumps to I again. Then I plus plus, I becomes 3, same way 1 1 2 1 3 1, but when it becomes 4, 4 is not less than 3, so it fails and the loop jumps to I. Same way when I is 4, 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 1 1, fail and the loop jumps to I. 5 1 2 3 4 5, 6th time it fails and there is no iteration after that. The I loop also fails and the program automatically exits. And this is how it takes place. This is the first line, the second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. In this program, I determines the number of times it should take place, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are using J to use it to print those many number of times. So that is when I is 1, J is 1, and J should be less than I, that is it will print only once. But when I is 2, it will print 2 times, J will print 2 times. Same way when I is 3, J will print thrice. So the basic this is the basic fundamentals. Hope you have understood, and I'll be showing you some of my other programs. So these are some of the complex ones: A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Then you got this, you got this. So I've shown you the basics. So with that you can start developing this, but it requires a lot of practice. As they say, practice makes a man perfect. So these are all my programs. And this was the toughest one. This requires a lot of patience, and only once you have mastered this technique can you get this. So let me show you my program. So this is all in sequence as I've shown you. As you can see, this is the code, but any program can have 2-3 ways of doing. So I will not be showing you the toughest one. So let's compile, close, let's run it. Void main. There we go. All my programs are a success. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you.